Welcome to Byte Vision YouTube channel. The 24-inch iMac, as of my last update, represents Apple's commitment to integrating powerful performance with a sleek, all-in-one design. Here are some key features and considerations for the 24-inch iMac. Design and display. Retina Display. It features a 4.5K Retina display, which offers 11.3 million pixels, providing sharp and vivid colors with support for 1 billion colors. Chin and bezels. The design includes a notably slimmer bezel, with the iconic chin at the bottom of the display now housing the speakers and camera. Processor. Initially, it was equipped with Apple's M1 chip, known for its efficiency and performance. Given the time, an M2 or newer chip might be available, offering even better performance and efficiency. Memory and storage. Options usually include up to 16 GB of unified memory and SSD storage up to several terabytes, depending on the model. Graphics. The integrated graphics on Apple's M-series chips provide excellent performance for a wide range of tasks, from photo editing to casual gaming. Connectivity. Ports includes two Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, which are versatile for connecting a wide range of peripherals, including external GPUs, displays, or storage solutions. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, latest standards for fast wireless connectivity. Audio and camera. Speakers, 4-speaker system with force-canceling woofers for rich, balanced sound. Camera, enhanced with a 1080p FaceTime camera, which is a significant improvement over previous iMac models. Software. macOS comes with the latest macOS, offering a seamless integration with other Apple devices, robust security features, and a suite of productivity and creativity apps like iWork and iMovie. Eco-friendly aspects. Energy efficiency. Apple's emphasis on energy efficiency with the M-series chips makes the iMac very power efficient. Recyclable materials. Increased use of recycled materials in its construction. All-in-one design. The all-in-one form factor reduces desktop clutter, making it an attractive option for home offices or minimalist setups. Magic Keyboard and Mouse, often paired with the new Magic Keyboard with Touch ID for easy login and Apple Pay transactions. Thank you for watching Byte Vision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.